Yeah, I wanted to do a video. I bought these Rotary diamond cut discs from Harbor Freight because I wanted to try them out. You'll notice they don't have steel on them. It's they're for concrete, fiberglass, marble, masonry, stone, wood. But I've got a set that I use for my TIG welder, so I thought I'd try them out. Because what I normally do with the Dremel is I'll use one of these discs like this, and if anybody's ever used these before, they break quick. So what we were doing was we're putting disc brakes on our bull nose. So to cut the old backing plate off, I cut it with a Sawzall down to here, and then I hit it with the Dremel right in here. So I wanted to try out these new bits, and what I like about them is they don't break. They're tough as nails. What I don't like about them is they don't cut real fast, and they take a while. And they're much smaller. Harbor Freight should make them a lot bigger. You can see this is a smaller disc right here next to it. You can see the size difference. And this is a bigger disc that if I was going to pick between any, that I would pick, and you can kind of see the size difference there. That's one of my big gripes. The other one is, I don't know if you can see on here, this screw wasn't cut all the way on the ends, so I had to use a Dremel with one of the discs, one of the ceramic discs, to cut in there a little bit better, because it wasn't all the way cut, so I couldn't get the damn screw off. So that's probably my two gripes, is they don't cut real fast. Once you start using them, you lose the abrasive on the side pretty quickly. You can see the other one I used went through a pretty good heat cycle. I don't know if you can see the dark part right through there and stuff. But I did 2 backing plates with 2 discs, where I probably would have done 20 discs with the ceramic ones, because they would have kept catching and breaking. Obviously I should have just used a die grinder, but I wanted to see how these worked. And I think for especially if you need to grind a little bit of material away, I think they're awesome. I think for cutting they'll work, but the ceramic work a lot better, but you'll break a lot more ceramic than you will these. I haven't broken either one of these, and these things caught edges like there was no tomorrow. So that's my review. Like and subscribe.